Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code to the Instacart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a promo code. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on the profile icon on the top right-hand corner. Then afterwards, go ahead and click on Credits, Promos, and Gift Cards. Now on this page here, click on Add next to where it says Your Credits. And then this is where you're going to enter your promo or gift card code and then click on Redeem. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a promo code to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.